Alright, so the next question, it says, a ball follows this path. Oops, sorry. A ball follows that path. I want to graph it. Alright, how do I graph this? Well, let's see. H of t equals negative 4.9 t squared plus 4. I see this as a parabola. It's an upside down parabola. Obviously because there's a negative 4.9 t squared. I know it's a parabola because of the square. Now the 4, what that does is it moves this parabola up 4 units. So if I were to move this graph so that it corresponds with the correct thing, I would say that the graph looks like this. And it crosses right here at 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's talk about transformations of the graph. Do you guys remember these things? The transformations of the graph is like this negative 4.9, the negative flips it upside down. This 4.9 will vertically stretch your graph, your parabola, actually making it skinnier. But I don't like thinking of it being skinnier. I like thinking of it as vertically stretching it. The plus 4 on the outside over here, that moves it up 4. If I had something like this, negative 4.9 times, I don't know, t plus 7 squared plus 4. This number over here will move the parabola right and left. And when you're moving it right and left horizontally, it kind of does the opposite of what you would expect. You would think that the plus 7 would move it to the right 7, but it actually moves it to the left 7. Moving it up and down, that does exactly what you would expect. If it's positive 4, it would move it up 4. If it's negative 4, it would move it down 4. But the moving it right and left, that goes kind of backwards a little bit. This should be a review for you guys, and hopefully this is. Let me graph this for you and show you that I'm right. Let's see, where's the graphing calculator they gave me? Let's graph negative 4.9 x squared, or I'm sorry, let's make it a t. Oh, they don't let me put t. So I'll put x, but it's the same thing. I'm just changing what I'm calling the x-axis. And I put plus 4. I want to graph that. And as you can see, it's a parabola that crosses exactly at 4. And it's a little bit skinnier than a regular parabola. Because if I were to do a regular parabola, negative x squared plus 4, you could see that a regular parabola looks like the fatter one. And then my actual answer is a little bit skinnier. It's vertically stretched.